today I'm gonna show you how to make fluffy slime, and to check how is it fluffy or not, you just whip it, and if there's bubble inside, that means it's fluffy. So mine does. So yeah, let's get started. First, what I add is PVA glue. So PVA glue. I did like this rainbow slime. I added blue slime and pink slime. That's why I have these colors here, and I mix it together. It was like so colorful. It was like two colors, but it mixed up and it's purple now. So this is very fluffy slime and it's clicky. So let's start. First I add glue, of course, because I told you to add glue. I'm just using a stick, that's it. First I need to add some glue. So you can add, how many glue you add, how much slime you're going to get. So I'm going to have I'm going to get this slime. So yeah. I have shaving gel. I'm gonna get shaving gel and just pour it here. You have to add less shaving gel than the glue because it'll be very sticky. You can put this on the table, so no, don't be scared to put it on the table. So now I'm mixing it. It'll be still a little bit colorful because my stick is colorful because I made the slime with that one. So